Hello everyone. First open your Telegram. From address bar, go to this bot address, tap on official TapSwap, tap on start, tap on start now, tap on start again. Now if you tap on this coin, you can gain coin. You can tap on task. You can tap on this task and you can gain reward. If you can tap on league, you can tap on claim your coin. As you see, we claim our coin. Also, you can tap on ref and you can copy your referrals and send to other people and gain coin. Also, if you tap on boost, you can tap on boosters, tap on multiple, and if you tap on status, you can see your status. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more video. Thanks for watching.